Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Tired of never quite having enough money to pay your bills or achieve your financial goals? I want to talk about how you can use Kindle Direct Publishing to make $2,000 to $10,000 a month. It doesn't take any capital to get started. Anyone can do it from anywhere. And some people are seeing these results in as little as 3 months. So first off, what is Kindle Direct Publishing? Well, traditionally, if you wanted to publish a book, you had to go find a publisher. And there would be a lot of upfront expense. It takes a long time to get it out there. And then once you get your book published, you don't really have an audience. No one sees your book. Well, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing takes care of both of these. You can self-publish your book for zero cost, and then it's automatically put on Amazon, so millions of eyes see it right away. So it's free to publish. Basically, you put a PDF of your book into Amazon. Then if someone buys the paperback copy, Amazon will quickly print the book and ship it to them. And you get about 70% of the royalties. So this makes it so that anyone can publish anything. You don't have to be a famous author. You don't have to be in the United States. You can do this worldwide. Anyone can be successful, publish books, and make a passive income. So, and how much money you can make is really up to you. But this is Nick Fabio. I did an interview with him on my channel last week. I'll leave a link to that down below. But he went from nothing to start publishing. He just had a laptop and a dream. He started putting books on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, and in 2023 made $1 million. Again, started from nothing, put a few books out there, started making $2,000 a month, then $5,000 a month, then $10,000 a month, all the way to $1 million for the year. Super inspiring story. And this is one of those areas where if you put in the effort, you can be successful. I love what Nick said in our interview. He said the only way to fail is to quit. And that's true in all business, but especially Kindle Direct Publishing where there's no upfront costs. The only way you cannot be successful is if you don't do it or if you quit. So how do you do it? Well, first you need to pick what kind of book that you want to publish. And really there's 3 types of books that you can do. You can do low content book, medium content book, or high content books. So low content books are the easiest. This is where I recommend that you start. I use BookBolt, and low content just means that it's like a journal or something that doesn't have a lot of content. So you're just putting lines on each page and then decorating it or something. And again, I've been using this software BookBolt where you can easily put lines on a page, or you could do puzzles. You could create a crossword puzzle book, maybe a themed crossword puzzle book. Let me know in the comments. Somebody put together a themed crossword puzzle book. Do an office crossword puzzle book, a Bible crossword puzzle book. You can do word searches, Sudoku. They have different mazes, plans. You could make a to-do planner, a mood tracker. I feel like maybe I need that. They have some workout templates. So really, if you hop into BookBolt, there's a whole bunch of ideas there for different low content books. So this means you don't have to write anything. Okay, so if you're not an author, that doesn't stop you from being able to use Kindle Direct Publishing. I do recommend you look around on Amazon. You want something that's kind of unique. Again, there might be a whole bunch of crossword puzzle books, but there might not be very many Sunday school crossword puzzle books. And maybe think about what you would enjoy buying, and you can build something like that. So that's the first type, is low content books. They're the easiest to get started. They're the fastest. After that would be medium content books. So that might be like, take your favorite self-help book. Atomic Habits is a really popular one right now. And then you can write a workbook with questions from the different chapters, and you can sell that as its own book. So again, it's medium content because you're writing the questions, but you don't have to write the whole book itself. Dr. David, who's a part of our Passive Income Engines program, he's written several of these different workbooks that make him an extra $100, extra $500 a month. Speaking of Dr. David, if you're looking for extra ways to make money, don't forget you can try out Passive Income Engines. Get access to me and Ryan and Dr. David and Travis's, all of our best side hustles and investments, and it's just $1. So you can get going with a low content book, a medium content book, or if you want to, you can write a high content book. So just a normal book. So first you pick what type of book you want to write, then pick what niche you want to get into. So and for research, you can go, like I just searched Sunday school word searches, and they really don't have anything. I mean, they have this activity book here that has a lot of different things. So maybe that's the niche you want to go for, is Sunday school word searches. You can use BookBolt and search Sunday school word searches, and it tells you there's 100 results. The lowest price is $293, the highest price is $20, average price $847. This is not a Sunday school word search. This is the opposite. So that's kind of funny. But you can see there's not a lot in that category. So maybe that's a niche that you can fill. Let me know in the comments if anyone ends up doing that, creating a Sunday school word search And it's really not too hard with BookBolt. You can choose a CSV file with the different words that you want. It'll just generate word searches for you. So you could create a word search book in about 5 minutes with BookBolt. So then you need to create a cover, and you can do it yourself if you have some graphic inclination. I don't. You can use GPT, but just be careful because ChatGPT for some reason can't spell English words. Sunde, word search, joyful discovery. I don't know why ChatGPT is so bad. Maybe somebody who knows more about AI programming. Why can AI not spell English words correctly? But the rest of the cover is really good. You also can use like Fiverr and pay somebody. Honestly, it's like $5 to get somebody to design a cover for you. Maybe you send them something you generated in ChatGPT and just say, hey, fix the words, something like that. But you get your book, you get your cover, then you just upload it to Kindle Direct Publishing. It's super easy. Again, you can do an ebook, paperback, hardcover. You can actually do all three. You can publish them all together. It doesn't cost anything. You just give the book a title. You can use ChatGPT to help with this. Put yourself as the author. That's pretty cool when you have your own books up on Amazon. You can tell people you're an author now, but you put your book details, upload your PDFs, and right away, this book is up on Amazon. Then for promotion, you can use social media. You can start getting your friends and family to buy it and start leaving reviews. You also can run ads to your book if you want to get more sales that way. Anyone can do this. Pretty easy process. In fact, I want to encourage everyone that's watching this to try and just get one book out there. Let me know in the comments how difficult the process was for you, what book you ended up creating. Leave a link and I'll go check it out. Anyone can be successful with this. There is a little bit of a learning curve of which niches are most profitable. How high of quality does your book need to be? Which keywords do best? What's the best way to promote your book? How do you know which books will actually end up selling the best? And you can just use trial and error. Again, as long as you don't give up, you will be successful. If you'd kind of like to speed up your results a little bit, Nick Fabio, the same guy, he had $1 million in Kindle Direct Publishing royalties last year. He has a coaching program where he's kind of gone with the machete ahead into the jungle, and he's learned what works best. He's learned the blueprint for successful Kindle Direct Publishing books. And in his program, he says, build a passive income publishing businesses that generates $2,000 to $10,000 every month. And his guarantee is that he'll work with you one-on-one for free until you do. So, and he says most of his students, it takes about 3 months from the point where they sign up for his program to when they get their book out and are able to start making this $1,000, $2,000, all the way up to $10,000 each month. So you can do it yourself. This program, it's $3,000. So I understand that's a little bit much. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do an NFT to fund this one as well. But I actually like that you have to put of an investment in, because what I see so often, there's a verse in Proverbs that says, hard work brings a profit, mere talk leads only to poverty. And what I tend to see in the space is a lot of people that are talking about financial freedom and they're talking about their goals and what they want to do, but they're not actually doing it. And when they start doing something, once it gets to the point where it's starting to be a little bit of work, they quit and give up. So if you put an investment into something, you're more likely to stick around and see it through to the end. So it's $3,000 to get into Nick's program. But again, the guarantee is you make $2,000 to $10,000 a month, or he'll keep working with you until you do. So he's a great guy. I get pitched a lot of Kindle Direct Publishing things. I actually sought out Nick. He didn't even come to me. I went to him and said, hey, please come onto my channel and talk about this. So, and again, full interview that I had with Nick available down below. So if you've been looking for a way to make extra money, I think Kindle Direct Publishing is one of the best right now if you're willing to put in a little bit of work. Yeah, if you have 40K sitting around, then do a done-for-you Amazon store. But I understand most people don't have just 40K sitting around. So this is a lower cost option that I think will make a lot of people a lot of money. And your goal doesn't have to be $10,000 a month. It doesn't have to be replace my 9-to-5 income. Maybe you just want to put a couple of books out there that make $100 a month. This could be a great option for you. So I'll leave a link to Nick's page here to book a call with him. Just if you have other questions too, you just want to pick his brain a little bit. I'll also leave a link to BookBolt. I have a promo code where I think you get 20% off. And if you'd like more ideas for making money, again, try out Passive Income Engines, $1 for 30 days. At least try it out. Everybody watching, stop what you're doing. Try out Passive Income Engines, $1. And I try to mention this at the end of all my videos, but remember, it is foolish to try and make more money to get rich. Jesus says it makes you happier to give than to receive. So as you're trying to make more money, don't ask when Lambo, Don't think about all the cool things you're going to be able to buy. Think about how you can help other people with the money that you're making. You'll be way happier in this life and in the life to come. We're all going to die someday. So make sure that you're investing in eternity more than you're investing in this short life. As always, thank you so much for watching and hope you all have a great rest of your day.